Hey guys, it's Michael R. It's New Year's Eve. Yes, I know I just uploaded a video, a plush video. Well, I just got something in the mail today. The mail truck just gave me a box. And I think I might know what it is. And today is New Year's Eve, 2018, or December 31st. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright. I was just trying to open this. Yeah, we're just opening this up. Got the tape. Alright. Alright, let's pull this thing open. Alright, keep opening. Oh, another box. Okay. Okay. Wait, oh my god. Oh my god, I think I see, this looks really cool. Oh wow, wait. Wait. Open this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my god. Let's open this. Pull this off. Oh my god, this is actually really cool. It's the pull-along duck from Neighborhood Animals. It's the one with the drum, not the one with the xylophone. It's still pretty cool. Oh my god. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna test it out on, let's test it out right here. Alright. Let's see how this works. We'll just have it go across my VCR. Yeah, I know I brought it down because I was watching a video on Christmas, but let's see if this works. Wait. Wait. Test this out. Okay. Alright. Doesn't seem to work really well. It's a little bit. Alright. 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 Yeah, it doesn't work pretty well, but try getting it in. Yeah. I might have to loosen that up a little bit. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, it's the Happy Go Ducky. But yeah, got the duck, the pull-along duck from Neighborhood Animals. Yeah, so yeah, I guess that's all I have to say for now. See you in 2019, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks. Signing out.